Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Welcome to the future, where the digital world offers countless opportunities for everyone. Today, we're going to explore the top 50 ideas for making money online in 2023. Whether you're an artist, a coder, an entrepreneur, or just someone with a passion to share, there's a place for you in this vast online universe. So buckle up and let's dive into these 50 ideas on how to make money online. Starting off with the first 10 ideas. Our first idea is diving into the world of freelance work. This encompasses a wide range of skills, from graphic design to coding to writing. With platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you're able to market your abilities to a global audience. Next up, online tutoring. If you possess a particular expertise in a subject, be it mathematics, English, or even a musical instrument, you can utilize platforms such as Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com to share your knowledge and earn from it. Thirdly, consider social media management. With businesses needing a strong online presence now more than ever, proficient social media management is in high demand. If you're savvy with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, this could be your ticket to financial success. Our fourth idea is starting a blog or a vlog. If you have a passion for a particular topic and love sharing your thoughts, you could turn that into a profitable venture through advertising revenue and brand partnerships. The fifth idea is selling handmade products online. If you're crafty and enjoy creating unique items, platforms like Etsy can serve as a fantastic marketplace for your goods. Sixth, consider online fitness coaching. If you're a fitness enthusiast, why not help others achieve their fitness goals and make money while doing it? Seventh, stock photography could be your calling. If you have a knack for capturing striking images, selling your photos to stock photo websites can be a lucrative venture. Coming in at 8 is becoming an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral. Idea number 9 is to start a podcast. If you're a great conversationalist and enjoy discussing specific topics, this could be a great source of income through sponsorships and advertising. And finally, our 10th idea is to become a virtual assistant. If you're organized and good at managing tasks, offering your services as a virtual assistant could be highly profitable. That's our first 10 ideas, but there's much more to come. Moving on to the next 10 ideas, let's explore some more opportunities to make money online this year. 11th on our list is becoming an online business consultant. If you possess a knack for business strategies and problem solving, this is your chance to cash in on your expertise. Next up, have you considered virtual assistants? With businesses going digital, virtual assistants are in high demand. You could offer services like email management, scheduling, or customer service right from the comfort of your home. 13th, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. 14th, we have online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you could share your knowledge with others and earn money while doing so. Coming in at 15, consider becoming a social media manager. Businesses are always on the lookout for experts who can manage their social media presence effectively. At 16, we have podcasting. If you have something interesting to say, why not say it into a microphone? With the right marketing, your podcast could become a hit. 17th, we suggest selling handmade products online. If you're a creative person, why not sell your creations on platforms like Etsy? 18th on our list is graphic designing. If you're skilled in creating visually appealing designs, there are a plethora of opportunities waiting for you. 19th, consider starting a YouTube channel. Whether you're into gaming, cooking, or vlogging, YouTube can be a great platform to earn money while showcasing your passion. And finally, at 20, we have dropshipping. This involves selling products directly from the manufacturer to the customer without holding any inventory yourself. That's 20 ideas down, 30 more to go. Stick around to find out what they are. Let's explore the next 10 ideas on how to make money online. Starting at 21, we have graphic design. If you're artistically inclined, online platforms are a great way to showcase your skills. You can create logos, website layouts, and even social media graphics for businesses worldwide. 22 is all about blogging. If you have a passion for a particular subject, why not write about it? Consistent quality content can attract a loyal audience and generate income through ad revenue and sponsored posts. Next, at 23, we have online coaching. If you're an expert in a specific field, consider offering your services as an online coach. You can provide personalized advice and guidance, from fitness training to business consulting. Moving on to 24, we find virtual assistant services. Many professionals and companies seek virtual assistants to help them with administrative tasks, from managing emails to scheduling appointments. Idea 25 is all about selling handmade products online. If you're crafty, you can monetize your hobby by selling your creations on platforms like Etsy. At 26, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Idea 27 is dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products online without having to worry about inventory or shipping. You simply list a supplier's products on your online store and they handle the rest. At 28, we find online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer your services as a tutor to students around the world. Idea 29 is podcasting. If you love talking and sharing your thoughts, consider starting a podcast. With a loyal listener base, you can generate income through sponsorships and advertisements. Finally, at 30, we have social media management. Many businesses seek professionals to manage their social media accounts, from creating engaging content to interacting with customers. We're now 30 ideas in, with 20 more exciting opportunities to explore. Let's keep going. Scene script. Next up, we have 10 more ideas for you. Idea 31, podcasting. If you have a knack for storytelling or a topic you're passionate about, why not start a podcast? In this digital age, podcasts are a great way to share your thoughts and connect with like-minded individuals. And with sponsorship and advertising, it can be a lucrative venture. Idea 32, sell handmade products. Are you crafty? Do you enjoy making jewelry, candles, or even furniture? Consider selling your creations online. Websites like Etsy make it easy to reach a global audience. Idea 33, freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing is a viable option. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or even ghostwriting, there's a demand for quality content. Idea 34, virtual tutoring. With e-learning becoming more prevalent, virtual tutoring is in high demand. So if you're skilled in a particular subject, it's time to share your knowledge. Idea 35, stock photography. If you enjoy photography, selling stock photos is a great way to earn passive income. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are popular platforms to sell your images. Idea 36, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale that comes from your referral. Idea 37, create an online course. If you're an expert in a specific field, why not create an online course? Websites like Udemy make it easy to share your expertise and earn income. Idea 38, dropshipping. This e-commerce model involves selling products online without holding any inventory. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. Idea 39, start a YouTube channel. From cooking tutorials to tech reviews, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with ad revenue and sponsorship, it can be a profitable venture. And finally, Idea 40, create an app. If you have a unique idea and some coding skills, why not create an app? With the right idea and marketing, it can be a major success. We've covered 40 ideas so far. Are you ready for the last 10? And now for the final 10 ideas. Idea 41. Leverage your expertise by offering online coaching. Helping others navigate their paths can be a fulfilling and profitable venture. Idea 42. Turn your knack for spotting trends into a profitable venture through stock trading. Idea 43. Writing an ebook? It's a great way to share your knowledge while earning some cash. Idea 44. Create an online course. With the rise of e-learning platforms, your expertise can reach a global audience. Idea 45. Use your creative skills to design and sell digital products. Idea 46. Explore the world of affiliate marketing. Idea 47. If you're multilingual, consider offering translation services. Idea 48. Start a dropshipping business to sell products without the hassle of inventory management. Idea 49. Create a membership site, offering exclusive content for a monthly fee. And finally, Idea 50. Start a blog, share your passion, and monetize it through ads and sponsored posts. And there you have it. 50 ideas on how to make money online in 2023. So there you have it. 50 ideas to make money online in 2023. From freelance services to digital products, the internet brims with opportunities waiting for your unique touch. Take the first step, venture into these online avenues, and explore the potential they hold for you. The world is your oyster, and the pearl is but a click away. Thanks for watching Hacking Life. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share, and subscribe. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep hacking life. See you in the next video.